If DaVinci Resolve is giving you a fatal error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and practical fix that can help get you back into your project fast. This issue is often caused by a GPU crash, a driver problem, or even a temporary memory failure, so we're going to tackle it step by step in the safest way possible. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials. First, close DaVinci Resolve completely. Make sure the program is not still running in the background. If needed, open your task manager and confirm that every Resolve process is fully closed. This is important because a clean restart helps clear temporary crashes and resets anything stuck in memory. Next, restart your system. A full restart can clear out background issues, refresh your GPU state, and remove small software conflicts that may be triggering the fatal error. Once your computer boots back up, wait until everything is fully loaded before opening Resolve again. Now open DaVinci Resolve, and as soon as you're back in the app, go to Preferences. From there, find the Memory and GPU section. This is where you can check how Resolve is handling your graphics hardware. In many cases, the fatal error happens because the software is relying on unstable auto-detection, especially if the GPU driver is outdated or the system is struggling with memory. Inside the GPU settings, look for the GPU processing mode option. Change it to CUDA if you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, or OpenCL if that is the better match for your setup. The key here is to avoid leaving it on automatic detection if that's causing instability. Manually selecting the correct processing mode can often stop Resolve from crashing at startup or while loading a project. After you make that change, save your settings. Then restart DaVinci Resolve once again so the new GPU backend can fully initialize. This restart is important because it helps Resolve launch with the corrected graphics configuration instead of using the old unstable setting. If the error was caused by a GPU crash, driver issue, or memory-related failure, this fix can often solve it right away. And if Resolve still gives you trouble after this, the next things to check would be your graphics driver version, available system memory, and whether any recent updates may have caused the conflict. But in many cases, simply restarting the system and switching the GPU processing mode is enough to get past the fatal error. So to recap, close DaVinci Resolve, restart your computer, open Preferences, go to Memory and GPU, set GPU processing mode to CUDA or OpenCL, save the change, and restart Resolve again. That's the cleanest first fix for this problem. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.